Let's take a look at this 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1986 Jeep CJ7, all steel body, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Underneath the hood, 4.2 liter inline six, that'd be 258 cubic inches. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Has been repainted in this kind of a medium gray metallic, good looking paint in this Jeep. Let's take a look at the front grille push bar. You can see more of a high intensity discharge, more modern headlight. Good looking stance. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. See the locking hubs up front. Those are fuel, flat black wheels, all-terrain BF Goodrich tires. Tires are date coded 2017, 2018. Plenty of life left in those. Let's take a look down this passenger side. It does come with the vinyl half doors and the hardware as far as the latches go, as well as some other miscellaneous parts, and you'll be able to see this in the still pictures. We'll get some close-ups. Any questions, consult with a sales associate. I know there's a Haynes repair manual in there. Here was the hardware and latches. Looks like we have a soft top. There's those half doors, some gaskets, seat track it looks like. It will obviously come with the bimini top. So gray cloth interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. As you can see, paint shows well, has a nice shine to it. Again, all steel body. It's kind of a rhino liner or a spray-in bed liner in the rear of it, as well as the floors. If you look down underneath the seats, full-sized matching spare. And once again, all those still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Newer radiator in it. Aftermarket gauges underneath the dash do work. Brakes are 85% in the rear, 70% in the front. Heater hose is not hooked up. Blower fan does work. And just some minor powertrain seats, kind of the usual on a vehicle that's driven. And this one, get in, turn the key, and go. So we take a look down this driver's side. If you like Jeeps, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see driver's side paint shows well also. So the brackets for the pins have been installed. It's on the rear. You need the latches for the doors or drive it the way it is. All right, aftermarket tack on the steering column, as you can see. Let's go ahead and hop in here. We'll go ahead and fire this up. Take a little closer look at the dash. All right, there we go. Let's take a look at the aftermarket gauges down here. First of all, battery gauge came up. Oil pressure, running good in the middle. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Got that in focus. Looks like fuel. I see. So we have oil pressure over here. That's why they have the one down here. So the aftermarkets are working. Doesn't appear the ones on the dash are there. Tack is working. Make sure we're in neutral. Yeah, as you can see, manual transfer case, and then those locking hubs up front. Seats, nice shape. Appears those have been recovered. And that is a nice, sturdy, heavy-duty fabric on there too. Those will last. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Say sounds like you'd expect. 4.2 liter inline six to sound. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open, get that propped up so we can check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. So there's a good look at the underside of the hood. Flat black, nice and clean and tidy. And engine bay. As I mentioned, power steering. Baby's running smooth. Mentioned HEI ignition earlier. Looks like newer plugs, newer wires, battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. May not have it looks like an aluminum radiator, but again, new radiator either way. Flat black. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. All steel body, 1986 Jeep CJ7. Clean Carfax. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. All those still pics, check them out. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1986 Jeep CJ7. As you can tell, there is no side windows, there are no side doors right now. So you get a little bit different camera view. Now that sound that you hear is the spare tire on the rear. I'm going to go a little slower, so hopefully you can hear me talking. This is a beautiful Jeep that drives very nice. Now the oil pressure gauge, that's showing 0, which is not correct on the factory gauge. The volts are down here. But on the aftermarket gauges, we've got oil pressure of 50, temperature of 180, and a battery charging at 14.5. That's what we want to see. Very smooth running, very easy to steer. Perfect stance, in my opinion. We're just running the soft top right now on this open air beautiful day. Tachometer right here, working as it should from Equus. Comfortable bucket seats. Great day to be driving an open top Jeep. Brakes are nice and smooth. The power steering is excellent. I'm only going to be using second, maybe third gear here. This vehicle will be lots of fun. Check out all the pictures of this 86 Jeep CJ at UniqueClassicCars.com.